This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and loading the project that contains the footage you want to fix. Tap the clip on the timeline so it becomes active. This lets you access clip-specific controls. Once the clip is selected, move the playhead to the exact frame where you want the adjustment to start. This prevents global changes and keeps exposure matched to other shots, so make precise selections now, because later steps modify only the active clip. Now tap Adjust or Edit and select Brightness. Move the slider while previewing playback to judge effect. Make subtle moves, small changes look natural. Larger ones may clip highlights or crush shadows. Once brightness is close, tweak contrast, exposure, highlights, and shadows to restore midtones and depth. If lighting changes during the clip, add keyframes. Set values at start and end, then Capcut interpolates smoothly. This preserves detail and avoids sudden jumps in exposure. Finish by playing the full clip at normal speed to confirm the brightness reads consistently against adjacent shots. Make small tweaks if needed. When satisfied, export using the original resolution and an appropriate bitrate so the adjustment remains accurate. If results look washed out after export, check your monitor or phone brightness first, then try reverting to previous values or applying a subtle color filter. This often fixes contrast issues. If sudden banding appears, reduce extreme slider values and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.